Alright guys, gonna run this for Bobblehead Jake. We have the Bernie Brewer Stitch and Pitch. 4:55 p.m. We are gonna go live on the post. And we are live. 4:55 p.m. Check that, 4:55 p.m. We got 50 spots. And we are going to drop that into random. We have 50 entries. Jay on the bottom, Kyle on top. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 50 entries, 4:55. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. 7 times, and we'll find the big winner. Good luck. Here we go. This is roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to spot number 42, John. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and get Bernie. We are done. 4:56. We will type done on the post. We are done. 4:56 p.m. 4:56 p.m. Here is the verification code and the timestamp.